Hello and welcome to our video on the impact of automation and robotics on the job market and the economy. In recent years, we've seen a significant increase in the use of automation and robotics in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and this trend is expected to continue. But what does this mean for the job market and the economy as a whole? Let's find out. The benefits of automation and robotics. Automation and robotics can bring several benefits to businesses, including increased efficiency, lower costs, and improved quality control. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, companies can free up their employees to focus on more complex and creative work. In addition, robotics can improve worker safety by taking on dangerous tasks and reducing the risk of accidents. The impact on the job market from robotics and automation. While automation and robotics can bring benefits to businesses, they can also have a significant impact on the job market. Some jobs may become obsolete as tasks are automated, while others may require workers to develop new skills to work alongside machines. In some cases, entire industries may be disrupted, leading to job losses and economic upheaval. The potential solutions of automation and robotics. As automation and robotics continue to advance, it's important to consider potential solutions to mitigate the impact on the job market and the economy. One solution is to invest in education and training programs to help workers develop new skills and adapt to changing job requirements. Another solution is to provide financial support to workers who are displaced by automation, such as unemployment benefits and retraining programs. The future of automation and robotics. Looking ahead, it's clear that automation and robotics will continue to play a significant role in the economy. While there may be challenges in the short term, there are also opportunities for businesses and workers to adapt and thrive in a changing landscape. By embracing new technologies and working together to find solutions, we can ensure that automation and robotics benefit society as a whole. That's it for our video on the impact of automation and robotics on the job market and the economy. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.